The parking sensor system works at speeds below 5 miles per hour to warn the driver of objects detected close to the vehicle, helping to preserve that new bumper look during low-speed maneuvers. The sensors at all 4 corners of the vehicle have a range of about 24 inches. The range of the front and rear center sensors is about 43 inches. When an object is detected by a sensor, visual alerts appear in the instrument panel and on the color touchscreen, and a beeper sounds. As the vehicle gets closer to the object, the beeps become more rapid and the visual alerts change color from yellow to amber and then red. When in reverse, the driver can select a detailed overhead view of the sensor activity by touching the split-screen icon on the color touchscreen. Mounting an accessory on the back of the vehicle, such as a bike rack, or towing a trailer, may trigger unwanted alerts. If so, the rear sensors can be deactivated. Press the Home button, touch Vehicle Settings, Driver Assist System Setup, Rear Sensor Setting, and Off.